Some of you feel regret. I want you to know that you heard him right. You didn't make a mistake. He ain't never promised us easy, but what he promised us was that he was going to be right there by our side.
Glory, glory, I see you on the throne.
So let's take up this cross.
I've seen the grass wither, I've seen the flower fade, but your word, it stands forever. Through all my days,
I could cry just talking about it because it was so powerful. This movie just really lit a fire inside me, and I know it will light a fire in so many people, and I'm hoping that it will create a movement of change.
I'm still shaken up. If y'all can't tell, like, I want to cry happy tears, because with everything going on in this world, we need positivity. Go see this film. Go see this film. It will warm your heart. If you have any kind of heart, you are gonna feel this movie. If you have any kind of love in your soul, it's gonna shift you a bit.
oh, I've danced with the darkness, I've